Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C220. In this video I'll show you how to enable front wipers. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To activate front wipers, you can press this button located on the top of the lever once. You can twist this lever upwards to use it in slow constant mode, again upwards to use it in high constant mode, again upwards to use it in fast mode, and again upwards to use it in fastest mode. To disable it, set it to 0 position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.